Cornerstone Technologies, raising the standards of non-structural repair. Hello, welcome to one of Cornerstone's instructional videos. A lot of our customers that are purchasing the Crease killer are struggling to get it assembled. So it's a very quick video for you guys to watch. So you see I can get two of these robo lifters, so 1 and 2. You can put these together to create the Crease killer, which enables you to put on a glue tab like this one here. It's only 7mm wide, and actually really pull and remove creases from car bodies. So collision repair or paint and stent repair, they work perfectly on both. So have a quick look at the video and you'll see how to build it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Okay, so today we're going to run you through a method of assembling your new Crease killer. So you've got 2 robo lifters. They come fitted with the original tab connector. We're actually going to fit 2 of the centipede connectors. We're also going to remove the ball joints and put the feet on. And then these are your centipede tabs, which are very good for taking out crease dents. Yeah, so this is what you get in your kit, and we're going to show you how to assemble this now. So now you can see the Crease killer is assembled. We've got effectively 2 robo lifters now fitted to these bottom plates. So these bottom plates now act as a support for the crowns as this Crease tab is pulled up with some leverage. It's such a good tool, it almost replaces pin pulling on sharp creases and without damaging the electric coat on the back of the panel. So now we know how to assemble our Crease killer.